Good morning students. Today we will discuss some important question of differentiation. That's chapter number 5 of class plus 2. These are the important 7 questions which comes in the CBSE final exam, in which the first question is y is equal to tan inverse square root of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. In this question, as we know, 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sin square x upon 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x upon 2. First, we use these two identities, that is 2 sin square x upon 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. These two cancel out. As we know, sin square x by 2 upon cos square x upon 2 is equal to tan square, and its square root is tan x upon 2. This cancel out. So y is equal to x upon 2. When we differentiate with respect to x, then its derivative is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. In question number 2, this is very important. Tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square, 1 minus x square. In this question, we put x square is equal to cos 2 theta. So 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x square, and theta is 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. In this, when we put value, that is 2 cos square theta, when we put first value, that's 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is the formula of 2 cos square theta. This is 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. When we take square root of this, that's under root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sin theta, root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. When we take root 2 common from numerator and denominator, this cancel out. So we have cos theta plus sin, cos minus sin. In this, we divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. That's we get, this becomes y is equal to tan inverse, this is cos upon cos is 1, sin upon cos is tan, this is 1 minus tan. As we know, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to tan pi by 4 plus theta. This cancel out, pi by 4, as the value of theta is this. When we differentiate this with respect to x, we get differentiation of constant is 0 and cos inverse is 1 minus x4. Differentiation of this is 2x. This cancel out. So its answer is minus x upon 1 minus x square root. In question number 3, the statement is y is equal to sin 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. In this question, we first put x is equal to cos 2 theta, then sin 2 tan inverse square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta plus 1 plus cos 2 theta. As we know, the formula of this is tan inverse 2 sin square theta upon 2 cos square theta. This becomes 2 tan inverse, this cancel out, this is tan theta, this cancel out. So this is sin 2 theta. As we know, there is a relation between sin and cos. So first we write this as sin square 2 theta square root, and we convert it as cos square 2 theta and put the value of cos 2 theta, that's x square, and differentiate with respect to x. So first we use power rule, that's man's half is square root, in denominator this cancel out. So this is the answer of this question. This is very important one. Question number 4th. The statement is y is equal to tan inverse 5ax means a square means 6x square. This is very tricky question. The first trick in this question is we divide first this by a square. So we get 6x square upon a square. In this a is cancel out, so this is 5x upon a, this is 1 means 6x square upon a square. We write this as, this is 3x upon a plus 2x upon a, and we write this as 3x upon 2, 2x upon a. This is the main trick. After this we use formula tan inverse a plus tan inverse b, which is equal to tan inverse a plus b upon 1 means a b. This becomes tan inverse 3x upon a, tan inverse 2x upon a. When we differentiate this with respect to x, whole square of this is 9x square upon a square, and derivative of this is 3 upon a. This becomes 1 plus 4x square upon a square, and derivative of this is 2 upon a. When we take LCM of this, we get a square upon a square plus 9x square into 3 upon a. This a cancel out, a square upon a square plus 4x square into 2 upon a, this cancel out. So we get a square plus 9x square 2a upon a square plus 4x square. This is the answer of this question. In question number 5th, that's 4th. In question number 5th, the statement is, solution of 5th is y is equal to tan inverse 4x upon 1 plus 5x square plus tan inverse 2 plus 3x upon 3 means 2x. The main trick in this question is, first we write this 4x as 5x means x, and this as 5x into x, and divide this by 3. So we get 2 by 3 plus x, 1 means 2 by 3 plus 1 means 2 by 3x. This is the formula of tan inverse a means tan inverse b. This is the formula of tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. This cancel out. When we differentiate this with respect to x, whole square of this is 5x square, and differentiation of 5x, it's constant, so its derivative is 0. 1 plus 25x square into 5. This is the differentiation of this question. In question number 6th, the statement is, 6th question is y is equal to cos inverse 3x plus 4 1 means x square upon 5. First we separate these two terms, that is 3x upon 5, 4 upon 5 root 1 means x square. This is also a tricky question. In this question we write 3 upon 5 into x, and we write this as 1 means 3 upon 5 square. When we solve this, we get 1 means 9 by 25. That's 25 means 9, 60 by 25. That's 4 upon 5. Here we use formula cos inverse AB plus 1 means A square, 1 means B square, which is equal to cos inverse A means cos inverse B. So this is cos inverse A plus means cos inverse B. When we differentiate this is 0, this is under root 1 means x square. In question number 7, the statement is fx is equal to tan inverse x. When we differentiate this, we get 1 plus x square, and gx is tan inverse 1 means x, 1 plus x. We write it as 1 plus 1 into x. So this is the formula again, tan inverse A means tan inverse B. So I think in this question there is plus 1, there is means. So first we correct this statement. This is plus, this is means. This is the formula of tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. So it's 0, its derivative is 1 plus x square. So f dash x is equal to g dash x. This is the first part. In second part, the left hand side is gx means fx. Value of gx is tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse x, and fx is tan inverse x. This cancel out, and 1 is tan pi upon 4. These are cancel out. This is equal to pi by 4. This is the right hand side. These are the solution of these 7 questions. Solve this. If you have any problem, then ask me. Thank you.